Have you ever wondered what your money is doing while you sleep? Right now, as you're watching this video, your future is being decided by one simple question. Are you working only for money, or is your money also working for you? Welcome to Tom Invests. This channel is about one thing, helping you build real financial intelligence so you can take control of your time, your income, and your life. Today we're talking about one of the most powerful ideas in personal finance, passive income. Passive income is money that continues to come in even when you're not actively working. It's the result of smart decisions you made in the past, systems you built, and investments you planted. Most people live on active income. They trade hours for money. If they stop working, the money stops too. But people who build passive income, they change the rules of the game. They work once and get paid many times. Let me give you a simple example. If you go to work today, you get paid for today. But if you build something once and it keeps paying you in the future, that's leverage. That's passive income. Let's talk about the main pillars of passive income. Number 1, investing. You buy assets, not liabilities. Assets put money in your pocket, liabilities take money out. Examples? Dividend-paying stocks, index funds, real estate rentals. Your money is working while you're living your life. Number 2, digital products. Courses, ebooks, templates, guides. You create them once and you sell them again and again and again. Number 3, online businesses. You build a system, a website, a funnel, a brand. You solve a problem and people pay you for the solution. Number 4, content creation. YouTube, podcasts, blogs. At first you earn nothing, then a little, then more. Over time, attention becomes trust, and trust becomes income. Now, I need to be honest with you. Passive income is not easy. It is not fast, and it is definitely not magic. It requires patience, consistency, and discipline. In the beginning, it feels like you're working for free, but if you stay consistent, one day the system starts working for you. Most people quit too early, not because they aren't capable, but because they want results without the process. At Tom Invests, we focus on education first. You don't gamble, you don't chase hype. You build knowledge, because knowledge is the most powerful asset you can own. Here's a simple roadmap for you. Step 1, learn the basics of money, how income works, how expenses work, how investing works. Step 2, choose a direction, stocks, real estate, digital business, content. Step 3, start small, but start now. You don't need perfection, you need action. Step 4, stay consistent. One video, one product, one investment at a time. Your future is built on what you do every day, not once a year. Now let me ask you something. If you had to choose one source of passive income to start with, what would it be? Investing in stocks? Building a YouTube channel? Creating a digital product? Write your answer in the comments, and if you're serious about learning finance, subscribe to Tom Invests. Like this video and turn on the notification bell so you never miss content about money, investing, and building long-term financial freedom. This is Tom Invests. Your future starts with what you learn today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.